Look at this. It's spring break. Sun is shining. The world is bursting with color. It's my absolute favorite time of the year. Everyone is smiling. Finally, shaking off the winter blues. Spring is the time to celebrate new beginnings. Hello my wellness tribe. Welcome back to our channel Tiash California. If you are new here, I am Tiash, a professional health coach. I share healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips twice a week in this channel. We all need a little, a lots of sweetness right now. So I thought, what a perfect way to celebrate it. The answer came to me, cheesecake. It's our common love, but we are going to make it healthy, no bake and sugar-free cheesecake. Now here is the thing, I have never made this exact version before, so we are in this together. Stick with me and wait till the end to see if we can create a magic in the kitchen again. First, we are making the crust. We are using rolled oats for that wholesome texture, nuts for a bit of crunch, and dates to bind it all together and for that natural sweetness. First, I am going to dry roast these oats for that nutty flavor. We are roasting them lightly. Oats are packed with fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you feeling full. They also contain essential vitamins and minerals, a great way to start off this dessert. Transferring them into the blender jar. Next, adding these mixed nuts. They are fantastic source of healthy fats, protein and antioxidants. And these dates add this beautiful caramel-like sweetness. But did you know dates are also high in fiber, potassium and iron? They are natural sweetener that's actually good for you. Adding cinnamon stick and little bit salt. Now blend everything together. Just look at our healthy crust mixture. It smells divine. This is almost cookie dough kind of texture, and we are going to fill it at the bottom of individual serving glass because we believe in portion control. I love these glasses for my dessert. They make it so elegant, don't you think so? Take a spoonful of mixture and press it at the bottom of the glass. This is gonna be our first layer. Traditional cheesecake crust is made up of graham crackers, lots of sugar and butter, and this is our healthy crust. Okay, now this goes into the refrigerator for setting while we make the filling. Now for the filling, today we are replacing the heavy whipped cream and cream cheese with beautiful thick Greek yogurt. I strained all the water from it. Look how thick it is. It's like the hum curd. I also prepared some cottage cheese or paneer at home. I'm going to use this. Maple syrup for the sweetness. You can also use honey or even dates. And vanilla essence. That's a lot. Oh my goodness. Hope it will come out good. Let's see. Alright, now we are going to blend it. Strained Greek yogurt is incredibly high in protein, great for building and maintaining muscle. It's also lower in lactose than regular yogurt, so it's easier on the stomach for some people. And my homemade cottage cheese or paneer, as it's known in many parts of the world, is packed with calcium and protein. Guilt-free. Look at this, so smooth and creamy. Now let's get those glasses out from the refrigerator. Now we are going to layer it. The crust is nice and set. We are adding this smooth, beautiful, creamy layer on the top. It's like building a little culinary masterpiece, one spoonful at a time. We want to make sure each layer is even and beautiful. This is going to set up so beautifully, I hope. A nice thick layer. Back to the refrigerator, at least for 4 hours. While our dessert is setting inside the refrigerator, let's prepare a quick berry sauce. I'm going to use some frozen and some fresh berries, but you can use whatever you like. Mangoes, pineapple, anything works beautifully. Berries are little powerhouses of antioxidants, which are great for protecting your cells from damage. We are just going to gently mash this up a bit in the saucepan. This releases their natural juices and intensifies the flavor. Berries are also packed with vitamins and fiber, and they are naturally low in sugar, which is fantastic. We will let it simmer for a few minutes. A little maple syrup for sweetness, just a touch. This berry sauce will be the perfect complement to our creamy filling. And because it's mostly berries, you are getting all those wonderful health benefits in every bite. It's a win-win, right? We prepared this sauce under 5 minutes and it's completely ready now. Our sauce is ready. Now we have to cool it down or bring it in the room temperature before we can pour it onto our dessert. I'm super excited. What about you? Happiness in a bowl. Now let me bring the desserts from the refrigerator. Look, it's completely set now. Now let's assemble our individual cheesecakes. This sauce is going to add a lovely tang and a burst of freshness to our cheesecake. See how it flows down, making a pretty swirl of sweet and a little bit of tart. The smell alone is so good, it makes you want to eat it right now. Every bite is gonna be a fresh berry party in your mouth. This is not just food, it's a treat. A happy, healthy dessert that shows you can have something good without feeling guilty about it. And now some fresh berries to make it look extra special. Doesn't that look amazing? Imagine eating this creamy cold cheesecake with the sweet tangy berry sauce mixed in. It's the perfect way to end a meal or just a nice treat anytime. This is for you. I hope you will try this soon. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips every week. And most importantly, I'd love to see your creation. Please try this and share the picture with me by giving #individualcheesecake. Let's spread a little sweetness together and tell me in the comments what is your favorite no-bake dessert recipe. I might come up with a healthy version of it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating, and you can watch my this video next.